ride my bike anymore.
Okay, Nadia, this is your first bike riding experience in Tashkent here at the
5 years of living here.
at the canal.
Whose fault is that? This is the bike I bought in Japan. I bought a brand new bike to come to Tashkent, thinking that I'd be riding my bike every day.
That's in Japan we did.
Like I used to in Japan. Little did I know that the roads were not the best. And I don't like riding here.
But it looks good right here.
Here it looks great. If we lived on this street,
I would have liked it.
All right, so we're going along the canal, and this is the entranceway. This is the,
Oshi.
and we started. There's ocean.
Oshi, I want to propose something to you. Do you want us to join B-Fit, just the swimming part, and us you and I go swimming?
And you can see the canal down there.
You want to do it? Okay, I think we have a plan here. All right. And she kicked your bum. Yeah.
This is Ankhor Stadium. This is the cotton producers professional team here. We're doing a loop around the stadium to add a little bit to our canal run. What's up?
Oh, she's really pushing.
So this is the new Crown Plaza. So, what did you guys get for shopping? What did you get?
Is this my helmet?
Some hot sauce. Some
Yeah.
My helmet. Why doesn't it close?
Some dime.
No, this is not my helmet.
So this is Maison de Goult. The Uzbek Olympic Museum. Sure.
How do we get on the... I'm Mormon.
Okay, come here, Harry. I'm kind of ready.
After our bike ride, we're going to Macomb. There's the famous blue domed restaurant. That's one of the oldest restaurants here in Tashkent. All Tashkenters love that place. But we're going to Macomb, which is also a very cool kind of Art Deco restaurant bar. Great drinks. What did you think of the bike ride then?
I think it was absolutely lovely. Absolutely wonderful.
What was your highlight?
Probably the part where we went to the shop at the end.
What was your highlight, honey?
Just spending time with you guys. And the bikes were nicely prepared for us.
There's the sun setting here.